Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your Ladyzion Mother's Creativity. Agidi oku. Are you missing Agidi? If you want to know how I make my Agidi, follow me to this video. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how we do Agidi. Are you the type that always meets Agidi? Like me, I do love Agidi when I was in Nigeria, but I'm going to share with you how I prepare mine that makes me not to miss Agidi anymore. So, and if you are new to this channel, you are highly welcome, and if you have not yet subscribed, please do subscribe. I will be happy to have you among us. And for the returning subscribers, you guys are so awesome and amazing. Thank you so much for always coming back. I love you all with the love of God. Before I start to introduce the ingredients, you can use any sauce of your choice to eat this agidi. You can eat it with soup, you can eat it with stew, you can eat it with ogbolo, you can eat it with egusi, or you can also eat it with pepper soup. As for me, I do love it with ogbolo soup, so I'm going to be taking mine with ogbolo soup. So without taking much of your time, this is the pap that I'm going to be using. Don't mind the tearing of the carton. My daughter did that. So amido di mais in Italy. As many of you have been following me, I live in Italy. So amido di mais. So you can also use this for your pap like akamu. This is it. So this is what we are going to be using for this agidi. Let's go. Because when I'm in Nigeria, I am the type that loves agidi. Instead of me eating a bar, I do love agidi. I can be eating agidi every day without getting tired. If you are someone like me, you are not going to miss agidi anymore. Just stay tuned, continue watching, and if you enjoy the video, please don't forget to thumbs up this video. Stay tuned as we go into the video. First of all, we are going to be opening this. This is it. It's not much inside because we don't have to. And before I forgot, I have my salt. This is optional. Some people do love salt in the agidi, and for me, I love salt. And why some people did not like salt in their agidi as well. But as for me, I'm going to be putting salt. So this is it. I'm going to pour it. It's not much because agidi, we don't really need to make it more so that we can able to finish it on time. So I'm going to pour it inside my pot. So this is it. You can see how it looks. And you continue adding your water. Remember, the gas is not on yet. Just mix. See, this is it. This is it. So as you can see, the gas is on. Just put it in a low heat and continue to stir. And make sure you have your warm water outside in case if the water is not enough. Don't worry, we are not going to stay long in this video. It's very easy. Continue to stir as fast as you can. So as you can see, it's getting thick. And don't forget to stay till the end of this video so that you will see how I'm going to enjoy my agidi with ogbolo soup. I'm going to be adding a little of salt. Then if my mom said, which one will you want for your agidi? Is it with salt or without salt? I said, no, mommy, with salt. I enjoy agidi with salt. Can you see how it's looking? It's time for me to add a little water. Remember, this is warm water. I will allow it to cook 10 minutes. Welcome back, guys. Can you see how it's looking after 10 minutes? My wrapping is already here. I'm going to be using an aluminium wrapper. So I'm going to be throwing this warm water away while I bring out cold water. The purpose why we put it inside the cold water, when it's done, when you bring it out, it will be very strong. Can you see how strong is it now? Can you see it, guys? So the agidi is ready. We'll start to wrap. I have to keep it flat here so that I can be able to wrap it very well. Then add a little, as much as your wrapper can take. This is how you are going to wrap it. So this is how you are going to wrap your agidi. Oh my god. And this is how you are going to continue. Don't bring it down, just leave it on top of the stove or the gas. Then I will place other one like this. So this is how you are going to continue until you finish wrapping your agidi. So guys, I just finished wrapping my agidi. This is the end of this video. Can you see how my agidi is looking? Let's open it and see. Oh my god. This is how my agidi is looking, and I am going to be eating it with ogbolo soup. So I'm going to be eating it with ogbolo soup and olugbu leaf, that is bitter leaf. Oh my goodness. Let's have a taste of this. This is so yummy. So guys, if you love this video, if you enjoy watching, please hit that button, subscribe, and put on the notification icon in case anytime I upload new video, you will be the first to notify. It takes absolutely nothing for you to subscribe. As for the new people, it's free of charge. Thank you for staying tuned to this video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.